you want to monetize your TikTok. Now there's a couple of ways you can do this, but to start, before you can monetize anything, you have to create a following on your TikTok. And I'm gonna go over that right here. If you haven't already checked it out, you might also wanna check out my video about how to go viral on TikTok. Now, before we jump in, be sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. It really helps me a ton reach more people and grow my audience and help people like you grow on TikTok and make a living from home. Now, jumping right in, the first thing you're going to want to do is create a content plan. This is where you lay out the content for a week, 2 weeks, even a month at a time. And you're gonna follow this content to a T. You're gonna post between 3 to 5 times a day. And this is really to get over that hump of learning how to create content. You're gonna create all kinds of different content as well. That way you can identify what works really well on TikTok for your niche and what doesn't. And this is gonna really help you grow that following really fast. You're also gonna look at all of your videos and make sure they have a really high watch time. Especially if they're under 15 seconds, you're gonna want a 90 to 95% watch time on those. If you're 15 to 30 seconds, you're gonna want 80 to 90. And if you're over a minute, you're gonna want over a 70% watch time if you want it to be pushed out to the For You page. Now, those are the basics of how to get your TikToks to get tons of views. But you're gonna wanna interact with everyone, you're going to want to reply to comments, you're going to want to interact with other accounts in your niche. For example, if that's real estate, you're going to want to stitch and do other real estate agents or investors videos to help you gain followers from their niche as well. And this is going to help you grow your audience. As soon as you hit 1,000 followers, you're also going to want to go live every single day for 15 to 30 minutes. This is going to help your videos not only get pushed out more on the For You page, but it's also going to help you build a more in-person relationship with your audience. Now, all of these things are going to be building an audience around you. Now, we're going to get to the monetization part, but after about 30 days of this is when you can really start to monetize. Once you hit 10,000 followers, if you want to, you can enter the creator fund. However, I personally don't recommend that because what you're going to get paid is not really worth what you can make from starting a business and monetizing that. Again, for example, if you are a real estate agent, you're going to make so much more money from getting new leads for either listings or buyers, and you're going to create a even bigger buyers list from this. It is much more advantageous to stay out of the creator fund and really focus on your business and get the most views you possibly can. Now, there's a couple of ways you can do this, but you're going to want to make sure you have a link in your bio linked to your website, or at least something like Milkshake. I do not recommend Linktree because it wastes a click, because it is a third party. It wants to ask, are you sure, when you navigate away. So Milkshake is better. It doesn't ask for that, but I do recommend you use your own website and make a specific landing page from your social media platforms on your website to be that link in your bio. It is more effective. Plus, it gets the traffic on your website, which helps your website rank better overall as well. From there, you're going to want to identify what your products or services are. If you are doing your own business, you're going to want to figure out how you can monetize it. You're going to want to make sure you get your page views, your visitors. You want to make sure you get their email. That way you can build an email list. Like I've always said on this channel, you own your email list. You don't own the TikTok algorithm. So if it changes, you are left high and dry. But if you do have an email list, you can work with that and leverage that in your business moving forward. Also, you might think, oh, well, if the algorithm can change and I might be left high and dry with no views with the content I'm creating, well, guess what? You are learning a very specific skill set and how to communicate in short form video content. This is going to be a very valuable skill moving forward as we have seen Instagram Reels have come out and YouTube Shorts as well. So even if you are left high and dry, you have a very valuable skill set that you have learned that you can take away and apply on other platforms in your future in marketing your business as well. Now, there are several different ways that you can make money and monetize your TikTok. If you are an educator providing educational content or an entertainer or anything like that, you can create exclusive content only available in your membership. This is a great way to create MRR or monthly recurring revenue that is extremely stable, especially once you identify your attrition rate or your fall-off rate or your cancellation rate, whatever you want to call it. The next thing you can do, like I've always said, is one-on-one coaching, or you can sell a product or a service. This is another great way to monetize your following on TikTok. Lastly, what I want to bring up are passive products like ebooks or NFTs or custom website designs or templates or whatever it may be in that realm. These are a really great way to create passive income for you, where you do the work once and then it just pays you going down the road, assuming you can get the traffic to your website and get it to convert. And the last thing I want to go over is, how many followers do you really need to quit your job and be full in on TikTok? I would argue as little as 10,000, depending on how engaged your audience is. Just to be safe, I always recommend having at least 100,000 followers on TikTok before you quit your job and really go all in on this. And it simply comes down to like the law of large numbers. With 100,000 followers, you're at least getting 2 to 10,000 views on every single video you post, and you probably have a relatively engaged audience as well. And this will get you hundreds of profile views every day, and then you have people clicking the link in your bio to go see your products or services. Plus, you have a relationship and trust built with your audience at the point that you've gained 100,000 followers. And it's something where you can actually take really seriously and build a business and a career around that as a content creator, or whatever you really want to do. So that's what I recommend, and that's really the path on how you can go from making $0 to monetizing your TikTok in just 30 days. It's also the same path on how you go from 0 to 100,000 followers by applying those principles. Also, make sure to check out, like I said earlier, my viral content video on TikTok. It will help you make more videos that are going to go viral and get on the For You page. So thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out, and make sure to like the video and leave a comment down below. If you do subscribe, I will reply to everyone. So thank you for watching one last time, and have a great day.